If you are still copying and pasting content ideas from ChatGPT into spreadsheets, you are wasting hours of your week. In 2026, the game has completely changed. Watch this. This is called the Fill Empty Cells feature within Canva Sheets. It lives inside the Magic Studio suite and acts as your ultimate creative partner. Instead of jumping between tabs, it uses integrated AI to analyze your current data and logically scale it out. Step 1. Set the context. You can't just leave it completely blank. Type in your initial core concept. For this example, let's use a rising trend keyword like Canva AI Magic Studio Automation Tool 2026. This gives the AI the brainpower it needs to understand your niche. Step 2. Define your target area. Click and drag down to highlight all the empty cells you want to fill. Think of this as telling Canva exactly how many variations or pieces of content you need for your content calendar. Step 3. Trigger the magic. Head up to your top toolbar, click the Actions button, and tap Fill Empty Cells. Watch your screen close up here. Step 4. Review the generation. In seconds, Magic Write outputs highly relevant, context-aware variations. Look at that. It completely built out our long-tail variations and categorized the commercial intent perfectly. Let's just repeat the process again for next 3 columns of data. Select cells with data and next 10 to 12 empty cells. Click Actions and fill empty cells from top menu bar. Click Enter. Watch the magic fill the data. Here is a pro tip that most creators miss. Once your cells are populated, highlight them again, click Actions, and select Apply Brand Voice. This instantly tweaks the text to sound like your unique brand, whether you're bold, playful, or professional. From here, you can pair this data with Canva's Bulk Create tool to generate 50+ unique social posts or videos in one single click. Part 1 of Canva Magic Studio Features in action. Today, we are unlocking Canva Sheets' best-kept secret: fill empty cells. That is how you move from a single raw idea to a massive automated content strategy without the manual labor. Drop a comment below with what niche you're building in, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next workflow automation tutorial.